Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you how to create a custom IP for your server. Before we start this video, you'll need a domain with NameCheap or another domain purchasing website. NameCheap is super affordable with domains from as little as 70p for a year. This is converted to around $1.20 a year. You'll also need a Server.pro server. In this video, I'll be using NameCheap and I'll be heading into my domains list. Keep in mind that other domain providers may have different panel designs, but the DNS configuration process should be fairly similar. If you encounter issues, please contact that domain provider for further support. Now, head to the domain you want to use and press Manage on this button. Then once that's done, head to the Advanced DNS page. It may take a little bit to load, but once that's done, click Add New Record and A Record. In the host section, type an @ symbol. In value, enter your server's IP address. Not the hostname, but the numerical IP address. I'll be copying mine and then pasting that here. Then lastly, leave the TTL as automatic. Now there are a couple more steps. Add a new record and select SRV record. This looks a little different. Now enter the following values as I'm telling you to configure this correctly. In the service you want to enter _Minecraft. In protocol you want to enter _TCP. In priority you need to set it to 0 and weight should be set to 5. Then in the port section enter your server's port. I'll be copying my main port from the dashboard and then pasting that there. Lastly, in target, you just want to repeat your domain. Mine is clarysrpg.online, so I'll type that in. Also make sure you leave TTL on automatic here as well. Once you're all set up with that and have followed the previous steps correctly, ensure you press save changes on both records. Now, the domain should redirect to our server. All you have to do of course is open Minecraft with the correct version, then add a server and paste the domain you just created. After a little bit, you should see that it redirects you to your server. Keep in mind that in some cases, it may take up to 24 hours for the domain to take effect.
I hope I was able to assist you in setting up your server. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys!